Okay, so now we will see about how to create your first Chrome extension, which is the step-by-step guide. So here, what is meant by this Chrome extension? Chrome extension means it's a small software program that customizes and enhances your browsing experience. So first is we need to be creating a project directory. That means I need to be going to the files, and I've already created a file, which is the my extension in the documents. So I've created a folder, and then I named it as my first extension. And then inside that, we're going to be having three files, which is the most basic one for this. We'll be having the manifest pop-up and then another pop-up, which is in the form of DJS, and another is form of the HTML. So the first is we'll be seeing for the manifest. So what is meant by this manifest? So manifest generally has about the extensions metadata and the configuration. It will be telling about what version it is running and what is the name, and then whether it is updated. If it is updated, means it will be in the form of the 1.1, but if it is not updated, it's the first version you are actually requiring, means it's 1.0, and the management version is the ND3, which is the current available updated version, which is provided by the Google for deploying the extensions, and then the name, which is the my first extension. So the description is probably gives about the simple description about your extension and the action. So what happens after you're loading this? So after you're enabling this extension, it will be going to the popup.html. So directly it moves to the popup.html. So now we need to be creating a new file, which is called as the popup.html. So this is the user interface, which is displayed when the users click a extension account. So here it is in the form of the HTML. So we are having the title, which is the my first Chrome extension. So in the body, it will be like hello Chrome extension, and then it will be having a button, which name will be the change color, and then on clicking that, it will be moving to the popup.js. So in the popup.js, it will be giving us a random color. It generates a random color, and then it will be giving us. So this is what happens in your first extension. And now I will show you how we are going to be deploying it. So open it to the Chrome, and then I'm moving to the extensions. I'll be giving manage extensions, and then we are having this developer mode. So here we can unpack the projects which were done. So I'll be load the unpacked. I'll be opening into the documents, and then my first extension. So this is what I'm selecting. So upon selecting this folder, it will be running all of the things and files which is inside this my first extension. So I'm clicking this, which is the my first extension, and I'm enabling it. And then after that, I'm in the extensions. I'm going to be pinning it. So now it will be easier for me to access it. So when I click this, it will be giving us a Hello Chrome extension, which is in the body of the HTML of the popup.html, which are created. And then here is the button, and which name is the change color. And then upon changing this, we'll be getting a purple, we'll be getting a yellow, and then we'll be getting a gray and a green. So it changes the colors randomly as long as you're clicking the buttons. So this is what happens, and this is run by the JavaScript or code which we have written. So by this way, we can actually deploy our own Chrome extension, and this is the first extension which we need to be deploying for the basics. And it's a very good thing for the beginners to be learning. Thank you.